Welcome back to another video. So today's video is a collab with myself and Just Jo Nail Addict. We haven't done one for ages. So we've both just recently got this pack of 6 gel polishes from Umikk and decided we'll do a collab and we have to use colours from these 6. So I'm using these funny shape tips because I've got thousands of them and I just thought I'm going to start using them and getting rid of them. So I am using another colour from Umikk, number 204. I think this colour's from the Soft Summer collection. I wanted to paint these nails this pale blue to start with. Voila, that was quick. It's a long video, so I have snipped out repetitive bits like that. So I'm using 2 of the blues from the pack of 6 and I'm using a white as well. And what I'm going to do is use this little spongy dibber dabber. I gave my pens away, I've only got the dabbers left, so I'm having to hold it with my fingers. Right, so I'm just mixing the 2 blues with a bit of white, just to give me different shades of blue. I wanted it quite pale in the middle of the nail, and then getting darker towards the edges of the nail, if you will. And I'm just dibber dabbering it on, keeping the dark blue right on the edges and just blending it in. I think I did 2 or 3 layers. I'm just going to show you me doing 2 layers because, yeah, I'm just repeating the same process for each layer. And I'm curing this for 30 seconds in between each layer. And I'm going to do that on all of the nails except the ring finger. Can you see? Just like that. And I'm just repeating it just to get it darker. I couldn't get that dark blue to show up too dark around the edges. So that's why I ended up going in with 2 or 3 layers. I wanted it quite dark around the edges. So yeah, once I'm happy with it, I'll cure it in the lamp and do the other 3 nails off camera. Right, I'm going to give these a matte top coat because everything I do now is just going to be freehand painting. So I need a nice matte surface because I prefer to paint on a matte surface. I'm pretty much going to let you just watch a lot of this design because it is just freehand gel polish painting. But I will bob in now and again to explain a few things. So I'm using a black gel paint and yeah, I'm using a dotting tool to start with. I'm doing a little owl. What I do as well, every little bit that I do that I'm happy with, I'll flash cure it. When it's small iddledy-piddledy pieces of art, if you will, like this, I'm always scared of making a mistake and having to start again because I've speeded it up, but it does take so long, guys. I think this set took me 4 hours again. It does take a long time. But yeah, this is on a time lapse because of that reason. It took so long. So this is a set inspired by a set I saw on Nail Pro magazine on Instagram by a guy called Nails by Mike 99. I'm assuming it's a guy. And they're pink, guys. It killed me not to be able to do these in pink. So that's the set that inspired me. I've changed them up a little bit, but how cool are they? Oh, I love them. So yeah, I had to use blue because there was no pink in this kit. But they are so smart. So kudos to Mike, whoever you are. Beautiful artwork. I just hope I did them justice. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let you watch for a little while. Yeah, because it's just freehand and I'll be back shortly.
Anywhere you go, give it
Right guys, that's most of my freehand done now. I wanted to paint a yellow sun. This yellow is out that pack of 6 as well. So I'm doing it in white first because that yellow is quite a jelly yellow. It wouldn't have showed up very well. So I'm doing a moon in white first. I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and then I'm going to go over the moon with the yellow. And again, I'm going to cure the yellow in the lamp as well. Just while I finish off, I'm going to do a cloud on this nail and a couple of little bats. Right guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm only going to show you, I think, 2 nails. I'm just going to do a bit of shading on all these shapes and the little hand coming out the grass and the cross. I'm just using a really skinny brush and a white gel paint, and I'm just going to highlight some of the edges just to make them stand out a little bit more. You really don't need to be neat with this shading. You can see I was ready for bed by the time I got to this point. So I'm just literally just slapping that shading everywhere I felt like it needed it. So yeah, I'll just show you this nail and one more nail. And then I've just got the ring finger left to do, which was pretty straightforward. It didn't take me too long. And then we can get these nails finished off. Right, so this nail, I'm rushing through it quite quickly. I'm just doing 2 quite thick white stripes. I didn't really want it symmetrical. I wanted, yeah, just 2 thick white stripes with the white gel paint. What I did on this nail as well, I wasn't happy with the pale blue colour that it was. So I just gave it the same effect with the dibber dabber sponge thing as what I did on the other nails. And then just put 2 white stripes on it. Then I'm going to do a bit of a pumpkin, carved out pumpkin face. Just like the other nails, I'm going to add a little bit of white shading to the pumpkin face as well, and then that'll get cured for 60 seconds because most gel paints, all the gel paints I've got actually from all different brands, they all cure for 60 seconds. So make sure you always check your gel paints if it's 30 or 60 second cure, because you don't want to under cure it, go to top coat it and it bloody smudge and wipe off. So always double check things like that. Right guys, so that is them all finished. Going to give them a quick coat of matte top coat now, and then that's them finished. I absolutely love this set. I'm not too keen on putting sets like this on my channel actually, believe it or not. For the simple reason, because it is just gel polish painting, I think people find it quite boring, and I've noticed they just skip straight to the end. Which is such a shame when I spend so long doing them, but I enjoy doing them, and I think that's all that matters at the end of the day, doesn't it? Anyway guys, that is them finished. I absolutely love them. Please head over and see what Jo came up with using colours from that same pack of 6 from Umikk. I've seen them already actually, and they are stunning. But yeah, that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.